In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Bing from Microsoft Edge. We're not uninstalling anything. We're simply switching the default search engine that Edge uses when you type in the address bar. This is the setting that controls where your searches go, so once we change it, your queries will go to the search engine you prefer. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you into the place where Edge keeps all of its preferences. On the left side, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section includes the controls for how Edge handles searches. Scroll down until you find the Services section, and then click Address Bar and Search. This is where the actual search engine choice lives. Look for the option labeled Search Engine used in the address bar. Open that menu and pick the engine you want, such as Google or DuckDuckGo. As soon as you select it, Edge will start using that provider for anything you type directly into the address bar. If the engine you want isn't listed, there's a quick way to help Edge find it. Simply visit that search engine's website in Edge. So, for example, go to google.com or duckduckgo.com. Edge usually detects supported search engines automatically once you've visited them. After you've opened the site, return to the same settings page we were just on, Privacy, Search, and Services, then Address Bar and Search, and check the search engine used in the address bar menu again. Your preferred engine should now appear there, and you can select it. A quick note for clarity. This change affects searches you type into the address bar. The search box on Edge's new tab page may behave differently and can still show Bing results, but the address bar itself will use the provider you've chosen. Also, if you're using multiple profiles in Edge, you'll want to repeat these steps in the profile where you want the change, since each profile has its own settings. That's all there is to it. By opening Edge, going to Settings, heading into Privacy, Search and Services, clicking Address Bar and Search, choosing your preferred provider, and, if necessary, visiting that provider's site so Edge can detect it, you've successfully switched away from Bing in the address bar. From now on, your searches should go exactly where you want them to. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing with your new default search engine.